welcome back guys to the channel. And on this video guys, we're gonna be extending the GBPUSD breakdown that we did before. So this is gonna be just an update on what we had viewed previously, right? Um previously, right, we had this trade here in which I had this sell trade of about 13 RR, which was targeted to be to end at this order block right here as our take profit target, which has been finally hit today on Tuesday, 31st of January. And now that our order block is already mitigated, we're expecting a bullish move from here. Now, before we get into that bullish move, firstly, we had this trade, and today I did add a second trade right here. It was taken off of the 1 minute chart. Now, as you can see, so this was like today's price action. It was during the London opening, right? As you can see, in and around 10 a.m. in the morning, where price just created this high right here, which was just part of a pullback, and we got this entry off of this move in here, right? So we had this move come down, so we were pretty much ranging from this high right here to this low right here, and then I decided to trade off of this inner price action right here. So we had this low, we had this high, we had this break right here, and then we had this retest to the supply zone, right, in which that supply zone was beautiful mitigated. That's where we got our entry, and we just had that we had this it was like a 5.1 pip. This right here was a 5.1 pip stop loss with a 46.2 pip take profit targets, which equates just to about 9 RR. So we have both of our trades have already hit take profit target, and now we're looking for buys in this area here. As I said before, that from here we'll be now looking for buys towards this high as the next overall liquidity run. But of course, as you can see, the lower time frame price action, right, we had price coming with a very strong move down, and once price approached our order block, price now began to slow down, right? Price then started to create this liquidity right here, right? Actually, it was creating liquidity on both sides of the market. As you can see, we also have that liquidity there, in which price comes, makes this high, comes down, takes this liquidity here, forms this. If we take this in terms of Wyckoff, that that right here was our preliminary support, the PS, right? The selling climax right there, the ST and the STNB right here, and then we finally have this spring. And after the spring was formed, price now came up and collected this liquidity resting above these highs, which is the buy side liquidity, after taking this sell side liquidity right here. And once these liquidities were cleared, we now have a sign of strength right there. And now we're just sitting back since it's off session, and I'm practically gonna wait until tomorrow to see this pullback getting completed, mitigating an order block in there, and then taking this price up towards new highs on top right here. Now, having that being said, today's Tuesday, the last day of January, of course. Tomorrow we have the FOMC news, and I'm expecting that news to initiate this bullish move that will be pretty much extended for quite some period of time, right? About 200 to 300 pips up. So it is what it is. So that's it on this update on the pound USD trade that we had. And mind you guys, this is all perspective based, right? This is all perspective based. Everything said or shown in here is based on my perspective, based on the way how I view things. However, it's not any form of financial advice. So everything you do is completely up to you, right? You can only use this piece of information if only if you want to, and basically for educational purposes. Right now, with that being said, guys, of course, if you did like the video, then don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. Turn that bell button on for notifications. And of course, guys, have a nice trading week. Wish you all the best and peace out.